Hello everyone, my name is Gajan Morak. Today's date is the 7th November 2022. Today's video topic is the SQL aggregate functions. In database management, on an aggregate function is a function where the values of the multiple rows are grouped together as a input on a certain criteria to form a single value of a more significant meaning. There are the mainly five types of the aggregate functions. The first one is the count. The second is the sum. Third one is the average. Fourth one is the mean, and fifth one is the max. Now let us understand each aggregate functions with the example. The example is there are the three columns. First column is the ID, second column is name, and third column is the salary. In first ID contains name, a name, and it has the salary 80. Second ID contains the name B, and its salary is 40. Third ID contains the name C, and its salary is 60. The fourth containing name D, its salary is 17. ID fifth containing name E, and its salary is 60. And last one is the ID 6 name with F, and its salary is null. So first aggregate function is the count. Count in parenthesis star returns the total number of records. Second, count in parenthesis salary, it returns the number of the non-null divided by the non-null values over the column salary, that is 5. Next is the count in parenthesis distinct salary. It returns the number of the distinct non-null values over the column salary, that is the 4. The next aggregate function is the sum. The sum in parenthesis salary, it returns the sum of all non-null values of the column salary, that is the 310. And the sum of the distinct salary is written the sum of all distinct non-null values, that is the 250. The third aggregate function is the average. The average in parenthesis salary is equal. It returns the sum of the sum parenthesis salary divided by the count of the salary. And the fourth one is the mean, and mean parenthesis salary is returns the minimum values in the salary column except null. And the max parenthesis salary returns the maximum value in the salary column. And this is my point of view about the SQL aggregate functions. Thank you.